Are you constantly being logged out on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right now because I actually used to have this exact same problem before, and I used this method that I'm just going to show you right now to fix this, because it was really annoying before. When I came to Instagram, I was just automatically logged out every time basically. But what I did is that basically I used another Instagram account. So I created a new Instagram account, and if you don't have like a new Instagram account already, then basically you can create an Instagram account, or maybe a friend can help you with this, because what you need to do is to come to your profile right here on the new Instagram account, and now you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here you need to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. Perfectly, as you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down and click on help. Click on help, and then click on reports a problem in here. So click on reports a problem, and then once again click on reports a problem, and then I'm just going to click on include and continue in here. And perfectly, as you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do now is to write something like this to Instagram. My account. You need to write the name of your account, or the username on that Instagram account that you're having problems with. So I'm just not going to write anything. So my account at the username basically is having problems with being logged out every time. Please help me to fix this, because this is a very important account for me. You can write something like this. My account at the username is having problems with being logged out every time. Please help me to fix this, because this is a very important account for me. If you can, then click on upload. If you have some kind of photos of that account as well, you can take a screenshot of the username or the account profile. If you can do that as well and send it here. And what you need to do now is to click on send in the top right corner. Well, after I did this, it took about 1 week for me to actually get results basically. So what I did after, I actually uninstalled my Instagram app completely, so I didn't access the Instagram app for 1 week whatsoever basically. And after 1 week I reinstalled the Instagram app, and then I tried to log back on my account again, and yeah, it works. I've never been logged out automatically now on this Instagram account, and it just works perfectly for me. So basically, if you do these exact steps, then hopefully this will work for you as well. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.